In this video, I am reviewing the high-low binary options broker. That's coming up next. Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this video I am reviewing the high-low binary options broker. The pros and cons of high-low are, well, let's start with the pros first. They are ASIC licensed, so they are a regulated broker. More importantly, they're an Australian regulated broker. So if you are an Australian trader and trading with a broker that's regulated by the Australian Financial Service License, then this is the broker of choice for you. So some other pros are they have a promotion at the moment where you will earn up to $50 cash back on your first trade. They also offer double your investment payouts on the Spread HIGHLOW option. So up to 200% payout in 15 minutes via the Spread HIGHLOW option. They also offer up to 80% on traditional high-low options, and they also offer a 10,000 unit demo account if you're interested in doing paper trading before trading with real money. The cons are they don't accept US traders, they don't offer 60-second options, they don't offer 30-minute options, and they do have a limited asset set available. So moving on to some company information. As I mentioned before, they are a licensed broker. So their company name is Real Time Capital Markets Proprietary Limited. They do have an Australian Financial Service License, which is 364264, and they also have an ACN and ABM number. So they are a legit company that's based in Sydney. So they also were founded last year in 2013. So they've been around for just over a year now. So their returns are up to 200% on their spread options and up to 80% on the vanilla options. There is a minimum deposit of only $10, so that's probably the lowest in the industry. So if you're just looking to get your feet wet and trial trading on binary options, this might be the broker for you. You can deposit a relatively small amount, but please be aware that the minimum investment is $10. So if you're looking to have a 100% strike rate or actually trade more than once, you're probably better off depositing over at least $200, I recommend. And the maximum investment is $500 per trade. They do have the demo account, which is a 10,000 unit account. They don't accept US traders at the moment. Your cash outs are always processed within the 48-hour period, most likely same day cash outs, and you can trade in either US dollars or Australian dollars. So the banking options are somewhat limited. They only offer credit cards, NAB bank wire transfer, high-low banks with and stores all customer funds with the NAB. So that's another tick in terms of security in regards to your money. You can also deposit via net teller, and the withdrawal options are only net teller and wire transfer. So they do have a small bonus or promotion. It's a cashback promotion. So you get $50 back on your first trade. So here are the terms. The cash bonus is applicable to the first trade only. If you trade $10, then you will receive $10. If you trade $50, then you will receive $50. There is no time restriction on when you may withdraw. There is no restrictions on the amount of trades you must trade before withdrawal. So there's no turnover requirements. So on to their trading platform. It's powered by Markets Pulse, which is one of the leaders in the industry in binary options software. Their expiry times for option on demand are 3 minutes and 5 minutes, and for their spread options and vanilla options it's 15 minutes, 1 hour and 1 day. They do have an iPhone and Android app if you wish to trade on your mobile. You can also trade on your tablet via a normal web browser. The option types are high-low, spread high-low, option on demand, They have 9 forex pairs you can trade with and 7 indices. And the time zone of the expiries are always in your local clock. So when you log into HIGHLOW and go to their trading platform, this is the default view of your screen. So what you have here on your right is your My Account section, where you can do all your banking actions, including deposits, withdrawals, and any account updates. I haven't actually deposited yet. I'm just doing basically a dry run demo of the layout of the broker. If you're familiar with Markets Pulse software platforms, then you can probably skip over this section. But if you've never used a Markets Pulse engine, this might be interesting for you. Also, HIGHLOW has sort of a different take on their software. Every software is slightly customized to suit the broker's needs and to give her a different sort of offering to the customers using the broker. So by default, it's actually on the vanilla HIGHLOW option, and on this option you've got up to 80% payouts. The second row is your different options. So in the first one's all is basically ordered by the next available option. But if you're only interested in trading 15-minute options, obviously, or 1-hour options or 1-day options, go to the appropriate tab and the appropriate option. Also, you can sort if you only want to trade a certain asset, and you can select that as well. So there's a few sorting features there. Going on to actually how to trade the expiry. Once you know what your asset is, you want to know what your expiry is. You've selected your expiry. Once you know that, you're basically picking your direction, whether it's going to be a high or a low, and then putting in your investment amount. There is some preset buttons here of 50, 100, up to 500, but you can also actually just type in your amount as well, and you'll actually then see your payout as well here. So this is actually up to 85% payout on this 1-day option. So an investment of $20 is going to return me $37. So we'll go on to how the spread high-low works. You can see here you actually double your money on your investment. So if you put in $10, you're going to get $20. If we put in $500, we're going to get $1,000. With HIGHLOW, you just need to cover the spread. So for example, on this option, which is going to expire in 15 minutes, the current spread will always change until your investment is entered. So right now, you can see here the Australian Japanese is at 95.749. So if I think that this is a rising market, I might want to take a buy or a call option, and I need to at least cover the spread to be 3 pips in this case of 95.752, which is 3 pips above what it is now, and you can double your investment. So it's a slightly different take, but very, very, very profitable with 200% payout on your investment. So if you become a binaryoptions.net.au member and join HIGHLOW via our website, your first trade is also risk-free on us. This is an exclusive promotion that only is offered on my website. So if your first trade is not a winner, we will refund that amount up to $100. Just contact me. So if you have any questions about HIGHLOW, please comment below this video. I'd like to know if you have traded with HIGHLOW before. I'd also like to know if you are an Australian and have traded with HIGHLOW before, and was your experience a good one or bad one, and would you recommend HIGHLOW to your friends or to any fellow traders out there watching this video. Thanks for watching our HIGHLOW review. Please visit our website for more broker reviews. Also, we have a binary options course and ebook and a forex trading course. If this is the first time you've been watching one of my videos, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and Google Plus page. By doing so, you will be informed when we upload our latest video, which is on a daily basis. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.